Left clear. Migrants ejects, taking brakes. Check the brakes.
Kalantias. Windshield window heats now, right? Low. The probes on. Gas.
Takeoff config, okay.
Takeoff config, okay. Runway heading.
Checked.
Checked. Takeoff clearance.
Obtained.
Obtained. Okay, my controls holding the brakes. Wind was from the right slightly. 040. Yeah, slightly from the right side.